to my show.
Hey there, hi there, and hello there, and welcome to the show! Today we are opening up action figures from the show The Avengers United They Stand! And today we have the Ant-Man. We also have Tygra. And last but not least, we have Vision. So let's open them up and see what they look like inside. Let's do it. All right, first we're opening up Ant-Man. All right, right here we have Ant-Man. Look how cool he looks. He is very, very movable. He moves everywhere. His arms, his legs. And the cool thing with him, his whole body stretches out. His arms. His legs. And even his body. Whoa! Look how tall he is. So cool. And the cool things he came with was he has a cool helmet. So let's put this bad boy on. There he is! Look at that. He definitely looks like an ant now. And he also comes with a mini Ant-Man, because that's who he turns into. This little guy. And this little guy has a ship. So let's put him in the ship. Ta-da! That's what he looks like in his ship. So cool. And the wings even go down. And up. So you can fly away. And the cool thing about him is he has a magnetic hand. And you can put him like that, sticks on his arm. So cool. Or if you don't like that spot, you could put it on his back. Now it's on his back. So if he wants to fly away, he just has to open his wings and fly. See you later, Ant-Man. Now we're going to open up Vision. Let's do it. All right, right here we have Vision. Look at that. He has his own cape. So cool. He moves really good. Everything moves. Feet, legs, arms. Look at that. I think Vision looks so cool, man.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5.
Me 6.
Me 7.
Me 8.
Me 9.
Me 10.
Boom. Vision comes with his bug bot. Look at that. So cool. Has these little razors on him. Can help him out if he needs help. And it looks like it crawls around. There they are. That's the team duo. So cool. And last but not least, we're opening up Tygra. So let's do it. And here we got Tygra. Look at that. She looks so cool. Rawr. She looks a little scary though too. Look at those claws. She's gonna get you. Ah!
Babe, you know what? She's like Cheetah.
Yeah, she does look like Cheetah, doesn't she? Well, she looks really cool. And the cool thing about her is she comes with this cool droid. And now she's on there and we can move her like this. Looks like she's having a battle or something. Look at that. Uh-oh, looks like she's about to lose. No! All right. Well, that's it for the show. Thanks for watching and us unwrapping and unboxing Ant-Man, the Vision, and last but not least, Tygra. Who was your favorite? You liked Tygra?
Yeah.
My favorite was Ant-Man. Let's battle and see who wins. Oh! And the winner is Tygra! All right, we'll come back tomorrow and see what we have. Goodbye.
Subscribe.